Duncan, come here, buddy.
Okay.
Come out in the living room. Look what, look.
Whoa. Whoa, Mom.
What'd you get? It's your birthday.
What's that?
I don't know. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you. Hey, Dad.
Yeah, pal.
Come here. Come look.
Okay, hold on.
Dad,
What'd you get?
basketball shoe.
That is a basketball shoe.
You know who got that for you?
Yeah.
Grammy.
What's open?
Grammy and Papa. We will open it. Look at what's in the bags, buddy.
What?
Look up. Those are all your birthday presents.
What? Happy birthday, Dad.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Well, what's it?
It's a card. Can we open it?
Yeah. What's in that? Whoa.
Thomas, a train card. Want me to read it?
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Duncan.
Dad.
Yes.
When is this basketball shoe?
We'll put together the basketball shoes in a minute, okay? Why don't you look in the bag? What else is in the bag?
Oh.
I knew he was going to be enamored with this one.
Duncan. Look in the two bags.
What?
What's in the bag?
He says, I don't really care. I just want to play
bag.
ball.
Yeah.
Mom,
What?
it's clean bag.
It's what bags?
Oh, it's clean bag.
Beauty bag or Cody bag?
Clean bag.
What's in it? You want to open your presents?
See all this stuff is that?
Yeah, I do see all this stuff in there. Why don't you open one? Here.
Wow.
Rip the paper.
The paper?
It's working.
Wow.
Candyland game.
What is it, buddy?
Candies.
Candies. Well, it's not candies. It's
Wanna get another
Candyland.
one?
Yeah.
Get another one.
That's green.
It is green. Okay, go ahead.
Not working.
Pull harder. Don't look at it. There it goes.
Whoa. Whoa.
You get new clothes, buddy? What is it?
Cool. Spider monkey.
Spider monkeys?
Spider monkey.
That looks like a beach towel or something.
Yes.
What's that candy?
Okay.
It looks like a giant candy, yeah.
Okay. Maybe what is that?
I don't know. To open it and find out.
Whoa. That's not a candy.
It's not a, it's a shirt. Where does your shirt stay?
Mom.
What, pal?
What I found.
Let me see. You found a new shirt, huh?
That
Yeah?
looks like a blue one.
I still live with my parents.
Birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Duncan.
It's nice that you're sharing your birthday with everybody else.
Hey, Mom. There's another shirt, Mom. That
Those are
was
pants.
another one.
Oh, I think those are the matching shorts. Yay!
Here,
Daddy.
Duncan. There's still a shirt in here.
Ooh, cool.
That.
Can you pick up the towel?
Did you get the towel off the floor for Mommy?
Dad. Which one was ours?
Is that one empty?
No, there's one more.
Mom,
It's pumpkin.
I need to get it. Got it.
Get it.
Here, Dad. There's only one. Dad,
Okay.
what is it? What is it, Dad?
I don't know.
Wow.
Can you,
Wow.
can you say thank you to Grammy and Papa?
Thank you. Thank you, Dad.
I didn't.
Say
It's Grammy and
say
Papa.
thank you from Grammy and Papa. And we're back to the basketball game. Good job, Grammy and Papa. I knew that one would be a hit.
No, leave it there, buddy. Get your other bag.
All right, we're gonna sign off for now. It's Duncan's 3rd birthday. Love you, Duncan.